Hello there, Blake from Demon Piranha Gaming. I wanted to show you how to win the Tier 3 boss car using the Audi RS5. So this is the standard version that you can buy with credits, however it is heavily upgraded. I have 3 stage 6 parts starting with the engine, which also has plenty of fusion parts. As you can see, it has tons. Next is the turbo at stage 5 with some fusion parts scattered about. The intake is also stage 6 with some fusion parts. Then there is the nitrous at stage 5, the body, and the tires. The tires I have a lot of fusion parts on too. And finally the transmission, which is also stage 6. Next I'll show you my tune. I get 555 Evo points with this tune, which is pretty good for this tier. My nitrous is 135 at 2.7 seconds. Final drive is at 3.64. And tire pressure is at full acceleration, which I don't really like, but that's how it works. Now I will do a quick practice race. And basically it runs about a 10-second quarter mile, which is really good. I mean, obviously with all my stage 6 parts, it makes it really fast. So basically to launch, you'll do a full rev and then let go late on the second countdown. Then I hit nitrous right on second gear to get the best acceleration. Okay, so full rev, late second, and nitrous on second gear. Then just kind of follow this through all the way to the end, and that'll get you, like I said, about a 10-second quarter mile. And that's perfect because the boss runs about a 10.588 quarter mile. Alright, here we go. This is the last crew battle, and then after that will be the boss battle. The police are looking for us. You wouldn't happen to know anything about that, would you? Maybe I don't. Alright, here we go. This should be pretty easy. This one, she runs about an 11-second quarter mile. Late second, nitrous, follow it through, and this one's pretty easy. Alright, that was pretty good. Gets a ton of cash, which will be great for upgrading my higher tier cars. Next is going to be the final boss battle. Now, I'm pretty sure I can win this, and I hope I do, but I've been waiting so long to be able to do this, and that I would be able to have a car good enough. Thanks to you, the cops arrested half my crew. They won't get their hands on me, and you can forget ever seeing your cars again. I don't know about that. Let's race this out. Race anyway. Now that super nitrous cost real life money, and so basically if you get a car that's good enough to race her, you don't need that. Here we go. This is the final boss battle. She is at 546 and I'm at 558. So we'll definitely be able to get her. Full rev, late second, nitrous, follow it through, and we easily beat her. That's awesome. Now we get her car, which is a Ford Mustang, which is pretty cool. And I don't have any other Ford cars, so that's awesome. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah. I really like the blue accents. It really adds to the total of the car. These rims are pretty nice too. Kind of looks like a metallic chrome in a way, which I really like. Alrighty, there we go. That's our car that we've won. Looks really nice. Let's check out what kind of upgrades it has. Full stage 6 everything, which is really nice. And this is a tier 4 car, as you can see, which will allow you to basically race some of the early tier 4, but it won't get you all the way through, but it'll definitely get you started on making some more money. Alright, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks, bye.